So today I'm going to take you step by step on signing up for DoorDash as a driver. Now we're going to follow along on the screen here in real time so that way you can see the questions it's going to ask you as we go along here. Now, if you're interested in checking them out, I'll have them linked in the show notes down below. Help support out the channel, but it actually gets you started right away, and they do have bonuses sometimes depending on your city. So you can see right over here, the first thing it's going to ask you is your zip code / postal code. Now from here, it's going to ask us for our email address. Make sure that you put in the correct one because of course they're going to be sending you important information as well as tax information at the end of any given year that you work for them, so that way you can file your taxes properly. And then right over here, it's going to ask for your phone number, and this is going to keep in communication as well as give you extra security when it comes to two-factor authentication. Now here it is asking me to sign in because I actually did have a regular DoorDash account for actually ordering food, so it's going to just have me sign in into the same account here. But if you haven't ever used DoorDash yourself, this is going to be a part where it's going to ask you to go ahead and create the password for you based off of the email address, so make sure you plug in that information correctly. All right, so this next step over here, it actually gives you an example based off of your area, how much you can earn per hour on average. And then here down at the bottom, it's going to ask you for your legal first and last name as well as your legal middle name. If you don't have a middle name, you can click that little box right over here. You can see everything does say required as we go through it, so make sure you fill those out. Okay, so a little surprise here for me. It actually says thank you for your interest in DoorDash. We actually hit our capacity in your area due to popularity, so we're not accepting applications at the moment, but not to worry, you've been added to a wait list. So please check back here to see when we're ready to welcome new Dashers. So if this is unfortunately the case for you, other options can be using Instacart or even Uber Eats, which if you're interested, I'll actually have them linked in the show notes down below for you so you can check out those companies as well, as I've actually gone through the process of signing up for those. But hopefully that's not the case for you, and it can take you to the next step, which will then allow you to start going through the process of putting in your address as well as any other personal information, so that way they can get you your card and get you started on earning money through DoorDash. Now, I'll also have a link right over here for you if you want to go ahead and check out some of the other companies as well, in case, again, yours is not available in your area. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.